So,
Good evening, friends.
good evening.
My co-speaker, Mr. Atul Beda, the convener of the Human Resources Committee, Mukesh Trivedi. Dear friends, in the first session, you learned how to prepare for the CA exams. What are we going to learn in this second part? Let me ask you one question. How many of you are appearing for the final CA exams? Oh, quite a few. How many of you are appearing in the November attempt? Very good. How many of you are appearing for the IPCC exams? Would be appearing? Okay. Let me ask you, how many of you are, or how many of you have failed in your life? Any one attempt? Don't worry, I will also raise my hand. Okay, that's great. So what we are going to do is, first part of the presentation, we'll learn how do we overcome failure in life. And mind you, this presentation is not restricted to your chartered accountancy. You know, your real life exam starts when you have that precious 2 words before your name, CA. And that's where your life begins. President made a remark in his opening address that in retrospect, when we look at today, I think examination was not a big deal. But for you, at the present moment, it's a question of life and death. Am I right? Because so much importance is there about your career. It's good talking on the platform when we are already chartered accountant. Huh? Don't worry, everything will be okay. सर एक बार एग्जाम में तो बैठ के देखो. I bet many of seniors would fail if we sit in exam today.
Not many. Nobody would dare to appear in it.
Nobody would dare to appear. That's right. So the question is not about failing in exam. Question is how many times we get up each time we fail in our life. Okay. What we are going to do before we actually begin our presentation is to have some relaxation exercise. But I see our office bearers are still having a cup of tea, so we'll have no problem. You can we'll spend some time before we come to that session. Let me ask you, how many of you think of a rank in CA exams? Oh, hardly one person. Why don't you think that you can get a rank? सर पास तो मुश्किल से होता है, रैंक की बात करते हैं. Now let me ask you one more question. How many of you think it is difficult to score in CA exam? See, announcement was interactive session. Huh? You read it properly, am I right? So you will have to participate in the discussion. How many of you think that scoring is difficult in CA exam? Only one person thinks. So rest believe scoring is easy, am I right? कुछ तो बोलो हाँ या ना. Maybe don't know, not applicable. Let me tell you, CA scoring is easy. पागल हो गए क्या सब? Because once you are passed, once you clear exam, you are already 50%. CA में पास क्लास तो है नहीं ना? No जनता क्लास. So once you clear your exam, you are already 50%. अभी फर्स्ट क्लास के लिए अभी तो बेंचमार्क 60 है ना, सीनियर सिटीजन लिमिट. So if you want to get a 60%, just 10 more percentage. सर 1% भी डिफिकल्ट है. 10%. एक बार भी डिफिकल्ट है. But let me tell you, scoring is not difficult. Getting through is difficult. Am I right? Why we fail most of the time? Our benchmark is so low. If your benchmark is getting a rank, passing is assured or not? Am I right? But our benchmark क्या है? Get through. To pass. You know what terminology the other professional courses, competition example they use? I want to crack Z exam. I want to crack CAT exam. किसी ने बोला I want to crack CA exam? I want to pass CA exam. अब ये मेंटालिटी लेके आप जाएंगे तो आगे कैसे बढ़ेंगे? What your ambition should be? I want to crack CA exam. Pass तो सब कुछ हो. See, the fact that you reached up to this stage, that proves one thing, that you are all above average. Okay? The Mahesh made mention that he was an average student. Mahesh, I scored lower than your marks in every exams. My highest mark percentage is 63%. But in our days, we used to get a rank. So what I mean to say, that our benchmark should be higher. I will tell you how to, go about it. Now what we do, before we, just dive into our presentation, may I request all of you to put all your belongings down below your chair, including cell phone, of course. Okay? We are going to have a small little exercise, don't worry. And rest assured, when I ask you to close your eyes, please close your eyes. Nobody is going to rob you. My eyes are open, so don't worry. Okay? Now when I say, close your eyes, gently close your eyes and just follow the instructions. Okay? Please close your eyes. Now what we are going to do, we are going to take a deep breathing. हम लोग डीप ब्रीदिंग करेंगे. जितना हो सके उतना सांस को अंदर जाने दिए एंड स्लोली बाहर निकालेंगे. लंबी और गहरी सांस भरे और धीरे से छोड़े. और एक सांस भरे Now wait, before you go further, let me ask you, how many of you feel when you take a deep breathing, आप जब सांस अंदर लेते हो तो आपके पेट बाहर कितने लोगों का आता है? आप आंखें खोल सकते हो. बाहर when you take a deep breath, कितने लोगों का स्टमक बाहर आता है? So बाकी लोगों का अंदर जाता है. Because the reason is that the right kind of deep breathing is when you take a breath inside, your stomach should come out. And when you take it out, पूरी सांस निकालनी है. जैसे कि ये स्टमक और पीछे का अपना एक साथ में हो जाए, इतना अंदर से पूरा सांस बाहर निकालना है. ठीक है? हम लोग ज्यादातर रिवर्स ब्रीदिंग करते हैं. जब हम टेंशन में रहते हैं, स्ट्रेस में रहते हैं, एक तो अपना ब्रीदिंग शेलो होता है, यहाँ तक ही होता है. ऑक्सीजन पूरे शरीर में जाता ही नहीं है. और सर को, ब्रेन को क्या चाहिए? ब्रेन की खुराक क्या है? ऑक्सीजन. तो अगर ब्रेन को ऑक्सीजन नहीं जाएगा, आपने सुना है ना, ब्रेन स्ट्रोक आता है. व्हाट इज ब्रेन स्ट्रोक? द ऑक्सीजन स्टॉप गोइंग टू द ब्रेन सेल्स. सो जितनी लंबी और गहरी सांस लेंगे उतना ही अपने को फायदा है. हम लोग क्या करेंगे, 10 बार एक लंबी और गहरी सांस अभी सही तरीके से लेंगे सब लोग. ठीक है? आंखें बंद करेंगे धीरे से. लंबी और गहरी सांस भरें और धीरे से छोड़ें. रुकना नहीं है, धीरे धीरे जितनी हो सके उतनी लंबी और गहरी सांस भरते जाए, छोड़ते जाए. सांस को जब छोड़ दिए तो 1 सेकंड का विश्राम ले सकते हो. लेकिन जब सांस भरी है तब रोकना नहीं है. दस बार हो गए तो आंखें खोल सकते हो. कितने लोगों ने 20 बार किया? 15 बार? 15 बार हो गया. एक्चुअली तो मैंने 7 ही बार किया. ओके, आप लोगों का 10 बार हो गया होगा. देखिए ऐसा है, एवरेज ह्यूमन बीइंग टेक्स 14 to 15 ब्रेथ्स इन 1 minute. ओके, ऐसा बोलते हैं कि अपनी सांस, मीन्स आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट मदर इन लॉ, अपना जो श्वास, ओके, अपने ब्रेथ्स आर फिक्स्ड ऑन दिस प्लेनेट. ओके, नोबडी कैन टेक वन मोर ब्रेथ देन व्हाट इज दिस टाइम. दैट्स वाइज मैन सेज. ओके, तो हम लोग जितनी सांस कम करेंगे उतना हम लोग ज्यादा जी पाएंगे. जो योगी पुरुष रहते हैं, अभी हम लोग ने क्या किया मालूम है आपको, कि 1 मिनट में अपनी 10 से भी कम सांस हुई. इसको आप और कम कर सकते हो धीरे धीरे, एक साथ में मत करना. और सांस जब आप छोड़ते हो ना तो बाद में लेना भी है, भूलना मत हो. जब भी आप टेंशन में हो, जब भी आप स्ट्रेस में हो, जस्ट डू दिस डीप ब्रीदिंग. दिस इज द क्रक्स ऑफ डिस्ट्रेसिंग. जो 15 मिनट आपको मिलता है एग्जाम्स के पहले, आप कम से कम 15 मिनट में से 1 मिनट भी अगर आप 10 सांस ऐसे डीप ब्रीदिंग करेंगे, आई बेट दैट वॉट एवर यू रेड यू विल रिकॉल व्हेन योर एग्जामिनेशन. ऑल सेड एंड डन, आवर एग्जामिनेशन इज अ 3-hour टेस्ट. कितना भी पढ़ो आप, वो 3 घंटे में क्या करते हो. एंड दैट इज वेयर यू नो दिस एग्जाम्स प्रिपेयर्स अस इन अ मच बेटर मैनर, ओके, टू फेस अवर लाइफ एग्जाम्स. सो we'll see how, what we are going to discuss. First and foremost, invest in yourself. You can afford it, trust me. Most of the people say soft skill में क्या इन्वेस्टमेंट करना है मुझे. We are all MBAs first, મને બધું આવડે છે. I know everything. So first and foremost, invest in yourself. It's your life. Okay. So what this presentation is covering: first, right breathing and relaxing, we have already done. Overcoming failure, success triangle, knowledge, skills and attitude, and getting what you want. Some final tips. Now we have about 1 hour exactly. Okay, last 10 to 15 minutes we'll reserve for a short meditation. Okay, so I want to send you more relaxed and more rejuvenated than when you entered this hall. Do you all agree? Yes. Would you all like to be rejuvenated? Yes. Okay, so last is relaxation. So let's begin. As I ask, So many people of you have failed in your. How many of you have not failed in your life anytime? Oh, we are all in. I am in a good company. Okay. You know, the major problem of failure is not a failure; it's a fear of failure. Because first, a man fails at the mental level, and then in the outside world. Okay. So failure is the most common element of our life. We forget it. Just remember, how many times you would have failed when we started walking? How many times? Number of times. Show me one, person who has started walking just like that. Not possible. How many times, we had a difficulty. In fact, first time when we started, tried to swim, we were almost drowned. The first time when we learned cycling, how many times we have failed? So failure is as common as life and death. So why to worry? And who fails? One who tries. One who does not try never fails in life. So never be afraid of failure. Because of fear of failure, we have not started many things in life. अरे ये होगा तो, अरे होगा तो जो का देखा जाएगा. Let us begin somewhere. Lessons from the nature. These good old songs I always remember, full of life. I remember one song, रात जितनी भी रंगीन होगी, सुबह उतनी ही रंगीन होगी. पेन जितना भी पेन होगा, प्लेजर उतना ही अच्छा. सपोज लाइफ में पेन ही नहीं हो, प्लेजर ही प्लेजर हो, देयर इज नो डिस्टिंक्शन. A president made a mention about the addition. 10,000 times he failed. And what he said? I learned 10,000 times how not to make a bulb. Look at the life of Abraham Lincoln. How many times he lost elections? 8 times. 2 times he had a nervous breakdown. He became bankrupt. Means anybody would have given up in his place. But he did not give up. And then he became one of the finest president the United States of India ever had. So that is what requires. So in nature, if you look at, there is a night, there is a day. So the entire thing goes on, cycle. It's a cycle. And of course, law of karma. What it says, nothing goes waste. Okay? Whatever you do, you get, in return. So don't worry about failures. Worry about the chances you miss when you don't even try. So let us redefine failure. You know why this redefining is necessary? Words are embodiment of power. If you feel low, okay, just say yourself, oh, I feel great. Just say yourself. Okay. And immediately, in some time, you will really start feeling better. आजकल तो क्या है, किसी को तो खाली पूछना चाहिए कैसे हो और रोना चालू. क्या बताऊं, आजकल तो ये है, वो है. I have one client right from day one. When I ask him, how are you doing? क्या मयूर भाई धंधा ही नहीं चलता है, क्लाइंट का पैसा नहीं आता है, इसका वो नहीं आता है, उसका वो नहीं आता है. For 28 years I am seeing him. और मालूम नहीं ऊपर वाला तो तथास्तु बोलता है. आप जो भी बोलो, yes तथास्तु. If you say I am feeling great, you will be feeling great. So let us redefine failure. Failure is nothing but temporary setbacks. There is nothing called failure. Dottie Walters. Failure is a slip, not a fall. Abraham Lincoln. I have not failed. I have just found 10,000 ways that won't work. Simple. Okay? I never lose. Either I win or I learn. Because failure only gives experiences in life. Okay? That does not mean that each time you should opt for failure. No. You aim for the best. But leave the results to him. And if something goes wrong, don't take it to your heart. Okay, fine, I will do it much better next time. Success is not final and failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Winston Churchill. So each time you fail, you should get up in your life, and that's what's count. Have you ever observed, the waves in a high tide? अपने यहाँ ये तो दरिया है, नजदीकी है. We Mumbai, it's lucky that we have a seashore. Do you know that many children or many even adults have not seen what is sea, what is ocean? मालूम नहीं उनको. They get mesmerized when they come here. Oh, इतना पानी. हमको तो टाइम ही नहीं मिलता वहां जाने का. कभी हाई टाइड होगा, just go and observe. In high tide, when the waves come, it goes back. Am I right? Every succeeding wave comes with double the force and vigor. You all youngsters are like high tides. Each time you take a step back, you take the next step with double the force and vigor. And that's what counts in life, the courage to fight back. Okay. Is this the right? I got it from the WhatsApp, some image. CPT very easy to drive. IPCC little more complicated. And final CA? No, it's an aeroplane. You are driving in a plane. Even if it is true, I'm saying, then it is good. Ultimately, you are appearing for a competitive exam. Okay? And therefore, the expert knowledge is expected of you. Let me tell you, friends, that I was thinking, and CA, of course, CA is rated as one of the most difficult examination on the earth. One of the most difficult examinations on the earth. Chartered accountants. But when I saw my daughter who is pursuing medicine, I thought, apna to kuch bhi nahi hai. The kind of, human anatomy. If somebody says, I don't believe in miracle, I said just go and look at in the mirror. The human being himself is a miracle. Human anatomy, so many systems we have. Skeletal system, nervous system, muscular system, endocrine, so many, means you can't imagine. And no doctor can claim mastery over human anatomy. That complicated, the piece which we have. Okay? And that too, our heart goes on pumping without any charging. Charger lagaya kidhar? Nahin. Still it goes on. It's the biggest miracle on earth. Okay. So, anything means, I tell you, this is nothing. Ultimately, who has created this? Even aeroplane, who has created this? We human beings have created. You know one thing? That God sends us fully loaded. You know the meaning of fully loaded? Fully loaded का meaning मानो है कि नहीं? कंप्यूटर आप जब लेते हो ना, उसमें सब सॉफ्टवेयर डाला हुआ रहता है तो उसको फुल्ली लोडेड बोलते हैं. You need not put any extra software or hardware. So our brain is a fully loaded. We hardly use it. The most intelligent person who goes to the grave, the behavioral scientist says, has used 7% of his brain. The most intelligent person. So that is the capacity of our brain. But we are not using it. The brain works like an umbrella, when it is open. When you challenge your brain, it works. It has tremendous capacity for remembering. वो कैसे रिमेंबर करना वो भी मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ. How to remember the things in life. So right attitude to overcome failure. So when I asked for strength, God gave me difficulties to make me strong. I asked for wisdom and God gave me problems to solve. I asked for prosperity and God gave me brain and brawn to work. I asked for success and God gave me examinations to face. I received nothing I wanted, but I received everything I needed. God will never give you something on the platter. God gives you clues. वो हम लोग हंटिंग का गेम खेलते ना, हाँ मालूम है ना, कभी खेला है? नहीं तो खेलो, अच्छा गेम है. So in hunting game, your clues are given, okay, and then you go and find out. So likewise in life you get a lot of clues. Okay, it is up to us to go and find out. Often when we lose all hope and think this is the end, God smiles from the above and says, "Relax, dear. It's not. It's just a band, not the end." So, एक पहाड़ी थी, some very mountaineering, people who are used to mountaineering would know. A very steep slope, and most of the people would come up to that level and then finally give up. ये बहुत ही difficult है, okay. So one person, what he did, he just put one billboard over there that these two shall pass. These two shall pass. वो बोर्ड आने के बाद में everybody started crossing that passage, because that was the most difficult part in the life. And once that was there, people say, "Oh, these two also will go," because I have cleared already so many slopes I have already climbed. So this is just one more. Okay, just one more, and most of the time, if you see, the success comes when we are about to just give up. फिर बोलता है कि छोड़ दिया होता तो, okay. Heavy rains reminds us of challenge in life. So never ask for a lighter rain. Just pray for a better umbrella. This is the attitude. Now here I would like to share a story of my life. As I said, I was a very average. So that's why I'm asking you, how many of you can take a rank? I got 60% in BCom. 63 in my SSC 10th, 61 in my 12th. 2 साल का 2% गिरना तो स्वाभाविक है ना कॉलेज लाइफ में, and 60% in BCom. So I was very particular of getting first class in BCom, which I got it fine. Everybody said CA exam में तो fail होना common है. I had started my articles in my TY BCom, so I just concentrated on my BCom exam, and exactly that got it back of my mind. In our days we have intermediate C exams, and I appeared for November exam and I failed. I failed in both the groups. Okay. Now that set me thinking, what is the problem? And that was the first failure in my life, first setback, and I could not concentrate for studies. Till one day, one of my cousin brother came and he told me just one sentence. Sometimes in life, one sentence makes a difference. As I said, these two shall pass. So my cousin brother told me one thing, that Mayur, don't be so hopeless when so many has hope on you. Don't be so hopeless when so many have hope on you. Means every family, everybody would be looking forward that, okay, he will become a chartered accountant one day. And that, inspired me from within, and I started studying. I cleared both the groups next attempt and got, missed my rank by a couple of percentage. Came final C exam. So this time I said I don't want nothing less than a rank from myself. But then how did I prepare? So I prepared my plan and said, to myself, or rather I prayed the way I used to pray, that God, this is my, goal. So make me work hard so that I can achieve that goal. Right from the day one, my aim was to get, rank in first 10, okay, and I got 42nd rank. So what I mean to say, if you aim for the stars, at least you will get moon. Don't settle for the less. It's better to aim high and fail than to aim low and achieve. So an arrow can only be shot by pulling it backward. When life is dragging you back with difficulties, it means it's going to launch you into something great. So just focus and keep aiming. जितना पीछे लेंगे आप एरो, उतना वो आगे जाएगा. So my message to all of you, every day you remind yourself कि सागर की गहराई है हम में और पहाड़ों की ऊंचाई भी. सागर की गहराई है हम में और पहाड़ों की ऊंचाई भी. जब जब चाहा हमने झुकाया ऊंचाया आसमान भी. And I tell you, you all can do it. I believe in you, provided you believe in yourself. My belief in you is not enough. You have to believe in yourself that yes, I can do it. Because success comes in cans. If you believe you can, you can. If you believe you can't, you can't. Either way, you are right. Okay? Let me tell you a story of a baby frog. How many of you have heard about this story? Please don't enlighten your neighbor if you are already knowing about it. Okay? Please leave that job to me. So, it's a very, very common, very inspiring. But once upon a time, there was a bunch of baby frogs participating in a competition. So the target was to get to the top of a tower. So a lot of people had gathered to observe the race and encourage the participants. The start shot rang out. Okay. And naturally when there are friends, to cheer you up. Oh. But the target was very high. So people said, oh, it's too difficult, they will never reach the top. Not a chance. The tower is too high. One by one, some of the baby frogs fell off. You can identify. What? When I started studying for CA exam, अरे CA कर रहा है, बहुत difficult है. सबसे पहला, the moment you start sharing with you, बहुत difficult है. 2% पास होता है, संभालना. अरे 2% भी होता है ना. Why can't I be of 2%? So people, जैसे पता चला वो CA कर रहा है, बहुत difficult है. It's very difficult. So except those who speedily climbed higher and higher. So the crowd kept yelling, it's too difficult, nobody is going to make it. More baby frogs became tired and gave up. But one kept going higher and higher. He was not the kind who will give it up. At the end, everybody had given up except the one determined to reach the top. All the other participants naturally wanted to know how he had managed to do what none of others had been able to do. One competitor asked the winner what was his secret. The truth was, the winner was deaf. So this is what happens in life. People discourage us. People threaten us. Just because they have not been able to get something in life, they would pull our legs. They would try to discourage us, but never get into that trap. Let me share you one more story. You like stories, no? I love stories. Okay. There is a person called Monty Roberts. Have you heard about this Monty Roberts story? No. Monty Roberts' father was working, this horse races business. So he used to, do the cleaning and other job. So basically, those kind of people are called itinerant. Itinerant means they move from one place to the other place. Okay. So he was working in the horse ranch in San Isidro. That's the name of the place. And because of that, this Monty Roberts was not able to concentrate on his studies because he had to move with the father from one place to other place. In one of these places, he was in the school, and the school teacher asked that all the boys that write what you want to do in your life, write a lifetime goal. This small little boy, he wrote 9 pages, very detailed goal of his life, that he would be owning a horse ranch spread across some 200 acres, in which 4,000 square feet bungalow where he would be living, having so many horses, this, that, everything minute detail. And he presented it to the teacher. The teacher read that and said, this is totally unrealistic goal. Okay, you are so poor. You are a son of a servant who is working it. It's not going to be practical. So go and get, rewrite your goal and come back. Some more realistic goal. He went home, thought of it, discussed with his father. His father said only one thing: it's your life. You have to decide about your goal. But let me tell you, it's a very serious business. So think and do it. That boy thought for a week, finally came up to the teacher and said, presented the same paper. Because the teacher had given, grade F. That's the last grade. So teacher told him that if you revise your goal, make it realistic, I will give you higher grade. So you know what? These boys came to the teacher and said, you keep your F grade, I will keep my dreams. And ultimately that Monty Roberts became the owner of 200 acres of ranch and sprawling bungalow and everything what he dreamt of it. So my advice is that don't let anybody steal your dream. Your dream is your dream. I always, remind of this Dhirubhai Ambani's famous quote that our ambitions have to be higher, our dreams have to be bigger, our efforts must be the greater, and our commitment must be the deeper. That's the dream of my India. So have higher ambitions. तो एम्बिशन से पास होना है बहुत हो गया, रैंक बैंक पास हो गया बहुत है. द मोमेंट आई से रैंक, so difficult. My dear friends, have higher ambitions in life. Have bigger dreams. There is a book called Think Big. Have you heard of this? सोचो तो बड़ा. अपनी तो सोच ही छोटी है. जितना बड़ा सोचेंगे उतना बड़ा होने का चांस है लाइफ में. ओके, सो अगर नहीं पढ़ा है तो पढ़ो वो बुक, थिंक बिग बाय नेपोलियन हिल. इट्स अ फैंटास्टिक बुक. So lesson to be learned. Don't ever listen to people who are negative and pessimistic. Okay? Distance from them. They will deprive you of your loveliest dreams and wishes you carry in your heart. Always be aware of the power of the words, as everything you hear and read will reflect in your actions. And let me tell you one thing. The way you talk to yourself is more important than the way you talk to others. Suppose when I am talking to you, something is going in your mind. नहीं ये तो सब बात है, बोलने में ठीक है, ऐसा होता नहीं है. The moment you say that, you are programming your mind that it will never happen to you. If you take it positively, yes. I always say my juniors, if I can get a rank, anybody sitting here can get a rank. Let me tell you that. I was so average student. But you have to work hard. You have to pay the price. As Atul Bhai said rightly, 3 साल, ये 3 साल आप मुझे दे दो. हमारा बॉस ने, not in exactly this word, but he said, give these 3 years to me, and you will, ever, you'll be blissful in your life. Means I said that give these 3 years to the profession, not to me, not to anybody else, not to your boss. When you go on exams, switch off your cell phone totally, log off from Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, everything. I assure you, everything will be there when you come back. उन लोग को कुछ होने वाला नहीं है. Everything will be there as it is. No friends will leave you. That also guarantee I give you. Luckily, we did not have, this kind of distraction. Let me tell you one thing. Every generation, succeeding generation, is more intelligent than the preceding. Do you agree? Have you seen the toddler? आप उसको दे दो अभी मोबाइल, आपका स्मार्टफोन देखो, आपको फीचर मालूम नहीं होगा वो सब. आजकल तो ऐसे ऐसे घुमाते हैं पिक्चर्स भी. I have seen, hardly 1 year, 2 year old. So, because The physical evolution, our physical evolution has stopped long back. But mental evolution continues. And therefore, every succeeding generation is more intelligent than the preceding one. But this intelligence comes hurdle in our life because of a lot of distractions. If at all we use this intelligence to our advantage, you can shine out. And there are few people who are aware about this, and therefore they get success, a very resounding success in their life. So why can't you be one of them? People say 2% result. 2000 लोग तो पास होते हैं. यहाँ ऑडिटर में कितने बैठे हैं? 200 लोग भी नहीं है. Why can't you, each one of you, be in that? And remember, institute, all 800 or 700 marks are reserved for you. It's not that कि पहले फर्स्ट कम फर्स्ट बेसिस तो है ही. अतुल भाई ने वो भी मीत बताया कि आप यहां से दो कि टिम्बकटू से दो एग्जाम, कोई फर्क नहीं है. ओके, प्लेस डज नॉट मैटर. व्हाट मैटर्स इज व्हाट यू राइट इन योर एग्जाम. सो get that 800 marks, because see, I tell you, theoretically every person get a first rank. Theoretically, I am telling you, each person sitting in the exam, because it is not that at the cost of one of the. In fact, this time only 2 people shared the first rank. So each, in fact, when I got a 42nd rank, there were 6 others who shared the rank. And when in the 50 ranks, invariably you will find 100 names minimum. So each one of you have capacity, each one of you have a probability of getting a rank. Provided you believe. You get it, it's your right. Turn a deaf ear when people tell you that you cannot achieve your dreams. So whenever you say, oh, it's my dream, why you bother? You tell the opposite person, it's my dream, leave it to me. I know how to handle it. Always believe you can make it. Some people always throw stones in your path. It depends on you what you make with them, a wall or a bridge. Remember, you are the architect of your life, nobody else. You are the stone, you are the chisel, and you are the sculptor. It's up to you what you want to do. This I said, our dreams have to be bigger, our ambitions higher, our commitment deeper, and our efforts greater. This is my dream of it. And remember कि ड्रीम जितना बड़ा होगा आपका कमिटमेंट उतना ही होगा. इट विल कम ऑटोमेटिकली. छोटा ड्रीम होगा तो उसका कमिटमेंट ही नहीं आएगा, उतना एफर्ट्स भी नहीं लगेगा. Unless you aspire to become something. You have seen Mr. Narayan Verma at the age of 84. Look at the passion. This man was bedridden just few months back. He was not able to stand up. He had a very bad fall in the house. He walks with a stick. He had some steel rods in the legs. And look at the passion of making difference. So many innovative ideas he has come through. In fact, this CA word, writing CA is actually his suggestion. He is a pioneer. So our dreams have to be bigger, ambitions, higher ambitions रखो life में. I tell you, superiority complex is any day better than the inferiority complex. I don't say that you should be, living in that, but it is any day better. Have confidence in life, courage in life, enthusiasm. Every day morning when you get up, you should be enthusiastic to go to office. अरे यार आज वापस ऑफिस जाना पड़ेगा. आजकल तो व्हाट्सएप पे वो मंडे ब्लूज का दिखा दे. यू शुड बी एक्साइटेड टू गो टू ऑफिस. पागल हो गए? नो. लेट मी टेल यू, दिस 3 years is your courtship with the profession. Your courtship with the CA profession, the best of the time in your life. Because these 3 years you can do whatever you can learn everything and you can get away with it. You can make mistakes at the client's expense. It's true. But हम लोग तो 3 साल आर्टिकलशिप करना पड़ेगा. So what I wanted to convey, see, my boss told me one thing, that 3 years, the maximum time you spend in this office is to your advantage. जितना भी सीखना है ये 3 साल में सीख लो, बिकॉज द मोमेंट दैट CA कम्स बिफोर योर नेम द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी स्टार्ट्स. चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट हो कि ये नहीं आता है, वेरी पुअर. द एंटायर प्रोफेशन विल गेट अ लेवल. CA फिर भी नहीं आता है. जब तक CA नहीं बना स्टूडेंट है बेचारा, छोड़ो यार. मिस्टेक हो गई, बॉस की केबिन में जाने का, सर सॉरी, बाद में बाहर आके यस मान गया. यू आर ऑल वेरी गुड एक्टर्स. आई हैव सीन माय आर्टिकल स्टूडेंट्स, दे आर एक्चुअली इन द रॉन्ग प्रोफेशन. समटाइम्स आई टेल देम you should go in acting. So the crux is that give the best to these 3 years to the profession. Enjoy भी करो और पढ़ो भी, लेकिन जब वर्क वाइल यू वर्क, प्ले वाइल यू प्ले. जब पढ़ाई करने बैठो तो read means work, read like nobody's business. Okay. So miracles start to happen when you give as much energy to your dreams as you do to your fear. Very simple. अगर आपको देखना है तो सपने देखो. Have you heard the शाहरुख खान स्टोरी? शाहरुख खान को सुने ना, वो तो सबको याद रहता है. कोई भी मरीन ड्राइव पे आके he was saying, एक दिन ये this city, यह शहर मुझे झुकेगा, मैं झुकाऊंगा और मैं बादशाह शहनशाह बनूंगा. एक शहनशाह बना वो. Am I right? He came with nothing. So this is a small video. I know you people would like to see the video, so let me try your luck. इसमें नहीं होगा. थिंक दे हैव स्टार्टेड दिस प्रेजेंटेशन नॉट. ये जरा लगाओ, इसमें वीडियो नहीं है, इसमें से चालू करो प्रेजेंटेशन. ओके. दिस पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. कौन से पिक्चर का है वो तो सबको मालूम होगा ना. ओम शांति ओम. अभी मैं केस लो पूछूंगा तो मालूम हो गया. क्या हो? हाँ हाँ, बंद करो. इसमें किसी चीज को बोलो 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 इतनी शिद्दत से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसे मिलाने की कोशिश करती है. Am I right? किसी चीज को पूरी शिद्दत से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसे मिलाने की कोशिश. What is the meaning of that? That is, how many of you have heard the book called Secret? How many of you have read? The balance, if you have not read, there is a small movie also. You can look at that movie also called Secret. किधर? ये है ना, इसमें प्रेजेंटेशन करेंगे. नाउ यू रीच टू दिस. ये सब वीडियो है इसमें. So, in the book called Secret, what is the secret? Whatever you want in life, just think of it. Just ask for it, and you shall get it from the universe. It all depends how sincerely you are asking for it. See, the universe does not accept and does not understand the negatives. Suppose if you want to pass in CA exam, what would you say? I should not fail. The moment you say I should not fail, universe will understand I shall fail. Rather you saying to the universe I shall pass with flying colors. हाँ, वो कैसे बताने का यूनिवर्स को, वो भी है मेरे पास में सीक्रेट है. तो सर ने तो बोल दिया, लेकिन यूनिवर्स कहाँ है, किसको बोले, मैं बताता हूँ. So always think positively. Two negatives does not make positive in the universal system. Universal systems understands only positive. अरे सब बंद हो गया. Okay, let me take help of my presentation. Okay, so Shiv Khera has said one very beautiful thing. He said, if you will always do what you are always doing, you will always get what you are always getting. So if you don't get the desired marks in your exam, suppose if you have failed in one time, it means the time has come to change your strategy. Many times students comes to me and says, sir, लेकिन मैंने सब कुछ पढ़ लिया, अभी तो बहुत बोर हो रहा है. Second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time, अभी क्या करूँ? Change your strategy. It means that you are not lacking in the knowledge, you are lacking in the communication of that knowledge. Writing exams is a passive communication, the most difficult one. कभी आपने रेडियो पे ड्रामा सुना है? नहीं सुना है तो सुनना कभी. नीलेश मिश्रा का आता है आजकल. Narrating or reciting drama on a radio is the most difficult job, because you have to introduce the characters, but people are not seeing it, only listening it. So likewise, communicating to an examiner what you know passively is more difficult. Right now I am communicating with you not by the words. Words, okay, part of it. In fact, only my words are going only 20% to you. 80% you are getting through my gestures. The way I am communicating. Suppose same thing. If I tell you, in exams, the way you communicate is more important. It's a passive communication. So you must remember how to communicate. And you must be courageous. You must be enthusiastic. Will it make any impact? No. I have communicated. The same words I am using it. But the way I am communicating with gesture, with enthusiasm, that makes all the difference, which is not there in exams. So how do you do that? We'll see some of the techniques. How do you communicate effectively? Okay? Only thing in this video, the one dialogue which I wanted to convey is that it's the last dialogue of the picture, very nicely said. That life is beautiful game, where in the end everything falls in place. Okay? But by chance if something does not fall in place, then just remember one thing, picture abhi baki hai mere dost. So whenever you are yet to succeed, tell yourself, picture abhi baki hai mere dost. My best is yet to come. My mentor at the age of 75 says, my best day is yet to come. My best is yet to come. Every day you remind yourself that today is my best day, because my best is yet to come. Because we don't live in the past. Past glory, okay. We always say India was, glorious. Yes, we have a glorious history, no doubt about it. But what about the present? We will shape our future by our present. So that is why we have to learn each day as one of the best day in our life, and that's why we'll get a best future. So it's true. Spectacular preparation always precedes spectacular performance. If you want a spectacular result in your life, you must have spectacular performance. Performance and the preparations. This video is only about the goal. So first thing first, goal setting. So today is the day. Decide. How many of you are appearing for November? I think a lot of hands were up. We are in the month of August. You have 2 full months. Okay? This time is enough if you really work hard. Okay? If you really work hard and systematically, you can definitely not only get through with flying colors. So it is better to aim high and fail than to aim low and achieve less brown. So decide your destination, where you want to be. First thing first, decide what you want to do. Your aim should be always in sight. Goal out of sight is no goal at all. So क्या करना है? पहले तो decide करो कौन सी rank चाहिए. And then write it on a piece of paper. So many. And everywhere. Mirror पे लगाओ. everywhere, where you know it is within your eyesight. एक उधर सीलिंग पे लगाने का सोते टाइम पे. And no joke, I tell you, every time you have to remind your mind, this is I want, this is what I want. Visualize. Power of visualization is tremendous. Visualize that, you know, the day of result, and so many people, friends, relatives are coming and greeting you with flowers, bouquets, chocolates, whatever you like. Okay? I tell you, this has happened just recently. One of our, friend's daughter, she came to, for the consultation just before preparation of the exams. Gautam Vaishya's daughter. After appearing for the exam, she told his father. His father asked, "What do you think?" She said, 100% pass. There is no, means nobody can say. Even rank holder is very difficult to say. Pass hoga to rank aayega. Pass hone ka difficult hai. But she said, if I fail, then there is something wrong with the institute. That much confidence she had after appearing for exams. And she cleared both the groups, IPCC, she appeared. So that kind of confidence you must develop in your life. And it's possible. So your aim should be always inside. See, behavioral scientist says that our potential, our capacity is tremendous. Just push yourself. And just follow it. It will happen like a miracle, I tell you. Okay? Ghazni mein this particular scene you are aware. He forgets, so he keeps on writing everywhere. So likewise, you have to keep on writing everywhere your goal. Okay? Each day, focus your attention on what you want. Each day, take one step that will bring you closer to it. All things are possible. The key is to identify it, claim it for yourself, and believe that you are worthy of having it. Now, for any success, not only exam, but any success in life, more so in the case of exam, 3 things are required: knowledge, attitude, and skills. Now, imagine this is a success triangle. Now, if you want to have a success triangle bigger, then you go on expanding the 3 arms of this success triangle. Knowledge, definitely when you prepare for exams, you are going to get more and more knowledge. Okay. Skills, the entire chartered accountancy examination, the crux of it is a practical training, the skills which we develop. Okay. We are going to talk about the skills of writing exams as well. And the most important thing is attitude. And with this, your success triangle becomes bigger. So let's deal with these 3 aspects in little depth. The importance of these three things: knowledge 96% in your life, skill 63%, attitude 100%. This is somebody made this exercise of adding up the alphabets and got this something. So attitude is the most important thing in life. So let's knowledge. I will not dwell with much because Atul Bhai has taken you in the depth. Begin with the end in mind. Stephen Covey. Start with the end. So have a robust timetable. Expert knowledge is required. Conceptual understanding, everything he has covered. Reading, studying material, suggested answers. Okay. Group discussion, as he also pointed out. Some subjects, it makes lot of difference if you study in a group. Let me share with you, we were 6 of friends in the library. We used to discuss income tax, threadbare. Now discussion of income tax means I will start with section 1 to 50, all important provisions. If I miss something, he will supplement it. He will start from 51 to 100. Okay, likewise we used to discuss Companies Act, provisions, income tax, auditing standards you can discuss, what are the important points. And I tell you, this you will never forget in your life. Out of 6 of us, 4 got the rank. Okay, one got both the groups clear and one got one group cleared, which he cleared in the next attempt. So this is the power of discussion. You don't need much time. Just coordinate, synchronize with your friend. Okay, even 2 of you is sufficient. This discussion will give you a lot of insight into it, and you will never forget it. So skills. There are 3 types of skill: writing skill, memory skill, and concentration. We have already discussed it's a passive communication, so most important thing. So what is required is a precis writing. It is not a university exam कि नंबर ऑफ सप्लीमेंट जितना बढ़ेगा उतना ज्यादा मार्क मिलेगा. हमारे यहाँ एक जोक्स है द मोर सप्लीमेंट वेट करके मार्क्स देते हैं. कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स आर नॉट लाइक दैट. यू हैव टू राइट टू द पॉइंट. द मोर प्रिसाइज यू आर, द मोर मार्क्स यू विल गेट इट. Solve papers, Atul bhai has already said. Practical problems, don't just read the solution. One person came, सर मैं अकाउंट्स तो परफेक्ट करके गया था. मतलब कैसे किया था? सब सॉल्यूशन पढ़ के गया था, सब आंसर्स. मतलब अकाउंट्स पढ़ के जाते नहीं सब नो, यू हैव टू सॉल्व इट. टेस्ट पेपर, मॉक एग्जाम्स. नाउ coming to the memories, there are two types of memories. So people say I have a very bad memory. I don't agree. Memory is either trained or untrained. Okay. The fact that you have come up to this level, as I said in the beginning, you are much above average. In a country where millions of children don't even go to the college, you are in the final years of the college, or you must have completed your college graduation, and you are in the competitive exams. The fact that I am communicating to you in a foreign language and you are understanding that itself again proof that you are much above, more than perhaps 90% of the students in this country. So remember where do you stand. You are already on the top of the pyramid. You are not on the bottom. Remember your place. Where do you stand? So memory is trained or untrained. How do we have a trained memory? You have to study for the test, dummy. You can't just put a memory stick in your ear. So let me. Oh, sorry. This is. So how to train your memory? Revision, repetition, and recall. Very, very important. Okay. It is said that whatever we read, after 2 weeks we tend to remember only 10% of what we read, 20% of what we hear, 30% of what we see, 50% of what we hear and see, 70% of what we talk, and 90% of what we both say and do. That is where the projects doing is more important. Unfortunately, in our CA curriculum, except GMCS, we don't have an opportunity to do projects. But that's where the practical training, complements. Because why chartered accountants are preferred everywhere? Why chartered accountants are, best of the lot, analytical skill? Because the practical training, where the people do the job. So that's what you remember for your life, right? So, whatever you learn, many of you have joined the classes, correct? So whatever goes in the class, revise in 24 hours. If you revise in 24 hours, it goes into your subconscious mind. If you revise in, say, 48 hours, then 80% of which you will remember. If you revise in 36 hours, then 60%. If you revise in 72 hours, so the proportion will go down of your remembering. अपना तो क्या है, क्लास में किया, फिर वो जब छुट्टी पे गए तब वापस निकाला, जब देखो तो वो बुक्स कहाँ रखा है. बुक्स भी ढूंढना पड़ते हैं, किंतु माले में रखा होगा, जरा निकालो. अभी तो आईपीसीसी के बाद में फाइनल एग्जाम 3 साल के बाद आता है ना. क्लास तो फर्स्ट साल में कर दिया, बाद में सब बुक्स भी सब अच्छा कर. ऐसा नहीं है. यू हैव टू रिवाइज इट, कंप्लीट. बिकॉज रिविजन, रिपीटेशन एंड रिकॉल. So repetition होगा कभी when you discuss the subject. Recall कभी होगा when you tried mock exams, when you practice. So तीनों चीज करना है, reading, repetition and recall. That is how you remember in life. Okay. Super brain yoga करेंगे. You want to increase your brain power? All of you please stand up. Super brain yoga. कैसे करेंगे super brain yoga? देखिए. Raise your right hand. Pull your left ear here. Left hand, the right. Okay. अब जब हम लोग नीचे जाएंगे ना, तो हमको इनहेल करना है नोज से. और ऊपर आएंगे तो एक्सेल। कीजिए कीजिए, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। नी का प्रॉब्लम है किसी को तो मत कीजिए, बट अदरवाइज देखो मैं भी कर रहा हूं। डू इट 5 times। आज के दिन इतना ही, फर्स्ट डे ज्यादा है, पनिशमेंट नहीं। I tell you, when in our childhood we were given punishment, बैठ जाइए please, thank you. We were given this punishment. This is actually not the punishment. You know, our brain cells are linked to, you know, this tip of our ears, and when you pull it, you know, those brain cells get activated. If you want to increase your memory, you must sincerely do this every morning. Practice 10 to 12 rounds, gradually increase to up to 10 to 15 minutes. I tell you, you will be amazed with your memory. It is called Super Brain Yoga. It's not my invention. It's there on the internet, you can find out. Okay. So this is a Super Brain Yoga. Increase your memory power. Concentration skills. This is all you know. You are aware about it. Switch off your cell phone. Log off, have regular intervals break. This is very, very important. Sometimes person read, you know, right from morning 7 o'clock to evening 8 o'clock. I have seen many students in the library. Now how much goes into your brain? Your brain needs a regular intervals. Okay, so give appropriate intervals. Studying in library, table chair, it is more appropriate. Know your biological clock. This is most important in life. Some person peak in the day, some person peaks in the night. So you know what is your biological clock and reserve the toughest subject for that. For example, I love to study in the morning. Then I will study most difficult subject in the morning and keep lighter subject for the, you know, other part of the day. So know your biological clock, whether you are a day timer or a night timer. Accordingly you can have your timetable. You can do some japas, etc. for meditation. Keep a small writing pad to note down all thoughts. जब पढ़ने को बैठते तो सब थॉट्स आता है जो irrelevant है. So keep one small note. The moment you put it on the note, it will go off your from mind. Okay, then you will be able to concentrate on what you are studying. Reserve time for recreation, fun, laughter. All studies, no laughter makes you dull. In fact, I advise that even during your, strict regime, keep reserve time for your, recreation. Maybe half an hour you can hit a gym. I have seen students, after 5 months, 6 months of, leave, they become double in size and then come. एक तो टेंशन में वैसे भी खाना ज़्यादा होता है. Don't do that. Hit gym. That's the most effective way of de-stressing yourself. And then when you start a fresh second session, you can remember a lot. It's not a number of hours, how effectively you read, that what counts. So find your de-stress button. What is your de-stress button? Discipline. I have come across this most beautiful definition of discipline. One of the most important keys to success is having the discipline to do what you know you should do, even when you don't feel like doing it. None of us would like to get up at 5 o'clock and go for a jogging. Okay? सुबह के दिन तो और भी मीठी रहती है. लेकिन discipline means what? To do something which you don't feel like doing it, but it is necessary. Concentration skill. Again there is some small video. Of course, we had this movie of again Shah Rukh Khan. That hockey. What was the movie? Chak De India. Last part, if you see the way concentration was there, so that is the movie which is there. You can see at your home. Attitude. What do you mean by the attitude? Attitude is nothing but the quality and direction of your thought process. Aparesh Acharya, he is my mentor. So necessity of powerful positive self-image. So what is attitude? Is the quality of and direction of your thought process. The way you think, as I said, the way you talk to yourself, that is what will reflect. So how to build a positive self-image? CA profession, your journey so far we have already discussed. Belief system. How many of you have heard of Anthony Robbins? Only 1%. People, you don't read something called self-help book. कुछ सेल्फ हेल्प मोटिवेशनल बुक्स भी आते हैं, कभी कभी पढ़ा करो, स्पेशली आफ्टर गिविंग एग्जाम्स व्हेन यू कम बैक टू द ऑफिस, थोड़ा लीन पीरियड होगा तब पढ़ो. Anthony Robbins, is a very powerful, writer. Motivational books he has written. One of the book is on the belief system, where he says that you got to believe. Means belief. See, it starts with that. Suppose if I have a belief that I can get a rank, which I try to empower you. Once you have that kind of belief, you will put in that kind of efforts because we are all mature. Otherwise, it will be a wishful thinking. Am I right? So belief leads you to the action. Action leads you to the results. Because when you put action, you are bound to get the results. And that result will be positive, which will reinforce your belief that what you thought was right. So it's a loop, belief system. So belief leads to potential, action, results. Again, it's a loop. It's a positive loop. So we start with a positive belief, you get the positive result, and it will reinforce your belief. Okay. How to build a positive self-value? It means one thing which we all must remember, that we are unique. Each person here is a unique person. Okay. Cloning abhi tak human being ka hua nahi hai. Successful. Okay. So we are all unique. Okay. Power of visualization we have already discussed. Attack versus defense. I said examination ko attack karna hai. See, in a war-like situation, who has upper hand? The person who attacks or the person who defends? Attack. Why? Because when the person who attacks has a strategy, without a strategy, कोई attack करेगा ही नहीं. And he knows, he must have studied the person whom he is attacking. उसका कितना military है, क्या है, क्या ना क्या weapons है, मेरे पास क्या है. The moment you become defensive, you come on a defense, then half the battle is lost. So one thing, when you enter the examination hall, your mental frame of mind should be, let any question come, I am there to answer. That kind of confidence you should build. And after all, you are prepared for it. You can expect it from yourself. I am not asking you to, get this answer from anybody else. You have to get this answer from yourself. The moment you talk to yourself like this, you are in that mode and you will be amazed with your potential and your results. The secret, ask and you get it. So, what I advise you sincerely, please note down these 7 points. These are the positive affirmations you must have every day in the morning. Maybe, before the breakfast, ideal, stand up and say it loudly that I am unique, I am powerful, courageous and confident. Now when you say I am powerful, courageous and confident, don't say I am powerful, courageous and confident. Say I am powerful, courageous and confident. Likewise, with lot of enthusiasm. Okay? I have a strong memory. I am destined to become a chartered accountant. I shall succeed in CA exams in whatever attempt, say first attempt of course. But I said November attempt or May attempt, you can say, with so many percentage of mark. Whatever you want, you get it. I am giving you that underwriting, but you should believe that 100%. My best is yet to come and today is my best day. These are all very, very powerful positive affirmations. These are time-tested, people-tested, techniques by the behavioral scientists. It's not done by me. Some behavioral scientists have developed this. So do it for your betterment. So some final tips. Getting what you want. Read and make notes. If not, underline important points. Very, very important. Examination के अगले दिन क्या पढ़े. Now fortunately you have one day leave. हमारे समय में तो एक दिन क्या, कभी कभी ये लोग तो दो पेपर भी दिया होगा शायद. Some people must have given 2 papers in a day. We had a successive exams every day, no off. And in a city like Mumbai, half of the time goes in traveling only. So I had a habit of making a notes. See, why I am telling you that you people can easily do it, because you know what was my reading speed? 3 pages an hour. कितना? 3 से 4 pages हो गया तो bonus. With that kind of speed, if I can finish CA portion, थोड़ा थोड़ा करने का every day. But notes बनाने का. So I get chance only to read once. And the last time I only do my notes. Nowadays you get a lot of material from the classes, from the institute, you know, lot of revision material, etc. All are good, but the best is what you have understood, what you have grasped. When you make a note, you make a précis. You don't write elaborate. Okay. Use acronyms to remember long paragraphs, provisions and formats. Day before examination, have confidence on your preparation. Read from your notes. Take good rest, night sleep. No hierarchy. Last moment पे कुछ अपने को करना नहीं है. On the day of examination, prayer if you believe. Avoid last minute revisions unless you want to check some specific points. Reach to the examination hall at least 15 to 20 minutes before the time. Long breathing, which I just told you in the beginning. Make use of 15 minutes to read questions thoroughly. Decide on the priority of your answers. Time your answers. See, even if first answer is not written properly, don't get disheartened. मेरा तो अक्सर होता था, इतना इजी लगता है, वो चालू करते हैं हाफ वे क्लास, अभी तो आगे नहीं बढ़ रहा, कैंसिल करके दूसरा आंसर. एक पेपर खराब गया, डोंट वरी, एवरीबडी इज इन द सेम बोट. इनफैक्ट टफ पेपर इज बेस्ट देन द इजी पेपर. In my final CA, costing was considered to be the toughest. So last paper it was, one of my friends just before the bell started, he said, "Bhai, अभी क्या होगा? इतना सारा पेपर तो अच्छा गया है. Last costing का है." मेरा मालिक है ना, सब चिंता करता है. So okay, देखेंगे. जैसे पेपर हाथ में आया, हमको तो 15 मिनट्स मिलता नहीं था, वो उसमें से ही निकलना था 3 आवर्स में से. जैसे पेपर हाथ में आया, देखा, everybody was smiling. Fantastic, easy paper. मार्जिनल कॉस्टिंग बैठ गया, ऑल द 6 प्रॉब्लम्स फैंटास्टिक. बाहर आके बोला फैंटास्टिक. कोई बोलता है मेरे को 80 आएगा, मैं बोला मेरे माइंड में 90 से तो कम आएगा ही नहीं, 90 से कम आया. कितना? 52. इसी पेपर में ये होता है, बट एटलीस्ट पासिंग वाज. सो डिसाइड योर प्रायोरिटी ऑफ आंसर. सो इफ टफ, नाउ लास्ट एग्जाम अकाउंट्स पेपर वाज वेरी टफ. मेनी पीपल गिव अप आफ्टर फर्स्ट पेपर, अभी जाने का ही नहीं. डोंट डू दैट. Because where you feel that you are not going to pass, you will pass. Everybody is in the same boat. अगर आपको टफ लगा है तो दूसरे को भी लगाए. Don't worry. Institute is there to take care of it. So time your answers. Don't spend more than the allotted time. Never leave a question, because your probability of passing gets reduced. The examiner wants you to answer correctly, lucidly, precisely. Of course, these are all. Support your answers with proper working notes. Now, I told you how to communicate effectively in passive communication. This is the way. Underline your citations, sections, important points towards which you want to draw the attention of the examiner. He has no time to read your entire, answers. So what you do? You draw his attention by proper underlining, citations, etc. So that at least his attention will be drawn to that. Okay? Attempt all questions. Reserve 10 minutes for revising. This is all what we have discussed. No hangover of completed exam. Never lose hope. Each exam is a war. Each paper is a war. Remember that. Okay? Treat each exam independent war. Examination is not end in the life. Physical fitness. Surya Namaskar, these are available on the internet. This is one of the best exercise. Why I am saying that? It's a very comprehensive exercise. If you do it, about 8 to 10 Surya Namaskar in a day, that will activate entire cell in your body. Your mind will be activated, and you will be more receptive to what you learn. So, friends, we'll stop here for a short meditation. So, and then we will wind up. About 10 minutes it will take. So, I hope you don't mind that spending 10 extra minutes. It's 5 minutes to 9, and we'll wind up by 5 minutes past 9. Okay? So may I request all of you to put your belongings down. Anybody has any questions so far? Okay. Fine. Then I will take you through the. It's a guided meditation. Basically, it is called a relaxation exercise, but it can be regarded as a guided meditation also. You can do it on your own also. It is very, very powerful, and it will regenerate you. Whatever tiredness is there will go over. So just follow my instructions, whatever I say. So first close your eyes, and we'll have 10 times deep breathing करेंगे. लंबी और गहरी सांस भरे और धीरे से छोड़े. और एक सांस भरे पूरे शरीर. Have a potential to pass with the flying colors. Now, how many of you think you can get a rank? Yeah.
Excellent.
So that's it. Now keep up this spirit. Let me tell you one more last thing. When you are on a long leave, there will be a time you will feel low. Okay. So don't bother about it. Just let it pass, or just give me a call. I will pep you up. Okay. You have to ignite yourself every day. Fill yourself with enthusiasm. Because only you can do wonders to yourself. Nobody else will come and do it for you. So always remind yourself that सागर की गहराई है हम में, पहाड़ों की ऊंचाई भी. जब जब चाहा हमने झुकाया ऊंचाई आसमान भी. So tell institute, be there, I am coming. Okay, all the best.
Future chaperons, power presentation. Before we propose the offense, I would request everyone to present a memento to our learned friend.
Friends, 1 minute only I will take. I have read one beautiful sentence. Bring your heart where your hands are. For example, you are studying at that time, put your heart also when you are studying. When you are working, put your heart in it and you work like that. Same way with positive frame of mind, with strong determination, consistent discipline, and a beautiful vision, you all will succeed. For that, we owe our gratitude to both these learned speakers who have given us a new dimension of determination and positive feeling to pass with flying colors. We would also like to thank Mahesh, who really gave a new dimension to our perspective of studies. You could see that he is coming from an humble background. Despite of that, all braving his odds, the way he could make it. I'm sure that we all are far more blessed. Despite of that, we have to count our blessings and move forward for that. With this, let us appreciate learned speakers with a round of applause. Thank you.